And we all came together and sort of built a car of our dreams. Hi, my name is Raj Alexander. I am the managing partner for Porsche South Orlando. I've been with the Porsche brand for over 18 years, and I've been the owner of Porsche South Orlando for the last 4. I'm proud to introduce you to our Restoration Challenge entry for 2023 as a 1997 Porsche 911 Carrera in an RSR tribute iteration. This is going to be entered into the individualization category, also known as Sonderwunsch. The Porsche Restoration Challenge has been a great project for our dealership. It's engaged a number of our team members that I'm so proud of, starting with our shop foreman, Kevin, our service director, Chad, and the rest of our entire service team. What I admired most about this project and everybody working in it was their commitment and hard work and dedication to excellence as the Porsche brand represents. I saw our team working early days, late nights, and countless hours in our body shop, repainting the vehicle. It was very, very impressive to me. The camaraderie, the teamwork, and I couldn't be more proud of the work that we've all done together. This particular project was very interesting at how it began. We started speaking last year about entering the Porsche Restoration Challenge in 2023, and our thoughts were to start with something simple. Our team was thinking along the lines of a preservation category car, and as our conversations evolved, I could just see the passion, everybody picking their favorite Porsche model. We started with a Carrera, we talked about RS Club Sport, we talked about doing a turbo, we talked about possibly doing a GT2, and we all came together and sort of built a car of our dreams, which would have been an RS Club Sport with a GT2 wide body, almost like an RSR. And what you see here is a lot of idea, a lot of passion for years for the Porsche brand between a number of individuals that spend a lot of hours together. And I'm really proud of what we've built. I think it truly represents the Porsche passion at Porsche South Orlando.
Hey everyone, my name is Kevin Ho. I'm the shop foreman here at Porsche South Orlando. Today I'm introducing to you guys our 1997 Porsche Carrera RSR Tribute. Raj had initially bought me a 996. The condition of it was absolutely horrid. And I kind of went back and forth with him, and ultimately we ended up finding this 1997 993. Exterior on the car, what we ultimately decided to do was an RSR look. So we went with the RS wing, RSR/GT2 style fender flares, the Euro bumpers as well, front and rear, that deleted the bumperettes to kind of complete the whole package. I want to say we replaced probably about 85% of the suspension. New control arms, the RS front steering knuckles, we did the RS tie rods. We also did what a lot of people know as the big reds for the brake calipers, which are essentially turbo brakes. And wheels, we went with HRE wheels that are specific for a GT2 fitment. For the engine, it is a brand new stock 3.6 liter engine from Porsche, and the transmission is a rebuilt transmission that we kind of went through and made sure everything was good. For interior, we did a half Alcantara, half leather, red deviated stitching interior that was kind of custom to us. I think the color was another thing that a lot of people couldn't decide on. So we stuck with 3 main colors, if I remember correctly, and it was Riviera Blue, Guards Red, and Racing Yellow, I believe it was. We ultimately settled on Riviera Blue. From Porsche South Orlando to everyone, thank you for giving us this opportunity to do this restoration challenge. It was a challenge for all of us on many fronts, so I hope you guys enjoy the car and let us know your thoughts.